Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by gathering the right hardware and drivers. Get a USB 3.0 capture dongle that accepts HDMI or composite, plus the capture app for your OS. Plug the capture device into a powered USB 3.0 port so bandwidth is stable. This matters because video streaming needs lots of throughput. Once done, install the manufacturer's drivers and allow any firmware updates. And make sure Windows or Mac OS recognizes the device in Device Manager or System Report before moving to wiring. Now connect the Xbox output to the capture input. Plug the HDMI cable from the Xbox 360 into the capture device, or use component/composite adapters and the matching capture input if your model requires it. Open the capture app, choose the capture device as video and audio source, then set resolution to match the Xbox output and frame rate to 30 or 60 frames per second, depending on performance. Make sure audio routing is enabled so you hear games sound through the laptop. This prevents silent recordings or streams. Finally, start a test recording or stream. Set a conservative bitrate first to confirm stable capture, then raise it if CPU and USB bandwidth allow. Use OBS or your capture software to add mic input, overlays, and streaming keys to your platform, and make sure to select the capture device as a video source inside that software. If you encounter a blank screen or no audio, first power cycle the Xbox and capture device, swap cables, and verify drivers. Often a bad cable or disabled HDMI output is the culprit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.